Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, just tap on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. Now tap on the icon of your app and pick Open in pop-up view from the list. As you can see, now I can use my app in floating window. In order to resize it, hold one of its corners, drag it, and when you find the perfect size, let go. You can even move it around by holding this line at the top and dragging it. To use your app, overlay the other one, click on the other one and use both. If you wish to go back though, click on Home button. Then hold Bubble, this one, and open your window by clicking on it. Or quite opposite, after holding it, drag it to Remove section and let go to close it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!